What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix you're having trouble with Rainbow Six Siege. X is not launching and it is stuck on mini loading Windows screen, and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into a step. So many users end up in this issue, so we're gonna talk about how we can fix this app. The first one is all about if you're having the Ubisoft Connect or anything related to the game, for example the game exe or game related exe in the task manager, and try launch the game and click on playing multiple times. So you just need to go over here, go to the start, right click and directly navigate to the task manager. Now from here you have to wait for a little bit of time. Then once it's completely loaded up, you have to expand this. Now go over here, and if you find anything related to the game, you have to remove it. That is .exe, right click and go for end the task. And also if you find, for example, what you have to see, if you find Ubisoft Connect is running in the background, you have to remove it. Once you remove it, you have to check. Next step is all about, we just need to go over here, verify the game file. So this I'll be demonstrating you in the last, and I'll move to the next step. That is all about copy the game exe from the game installation folder, and we need to paste into this particular path. So let me go over here, right click and go to manage browse local file. Now from here we have to expand this, keep scrolling down, and we have to navigate to the Rainbow Six Siege exe file. So here you will be able to find the Rainbow Six Siege exe file. Just copy this. Now go to this PC, go to operator C, go to users, go to your user, go to app data, go to Logout. Now from here you have to scroll down and navigate to Rainbow Six Siege. You have to find the folder for have to go over here, find app data local. You have to find Ubisoft. So just go over here at the top. We have to find Ubisoft first. So keep scrolling down and navigate to Ubisoft. You'll be having the folder Ubisoft Game Launcher. Now within the Ubisoft Game Launcher, you'll be having a separate folder called R6 Siege. So you have to get rid of this particular folder of that, and you have to paste it. Then you have to check with the game. Still, if you're having the trouble, then we just need to move to the next one. That is, we need to install the latest version of the Ubisoft Connect. So if you're having the Ubisoft, just go over here, search for the Ubisoft, and you have to right click on it and go to uninstall. After uninstalling, just go over here, search for Ubisoft Connect. You have to search here for Ubisoft Connect, download. Then you have to download the latest version of the Ubisoft Connect. Then you have to check. That is very important. That is also very important, and that might fix the issue as well. Next one is all about, you have to log out from the Ubisoft Connect and you have to exit from the Ubisoft Connect. So in my case, I have already signed out from the Ubisoft account. So if you're already signed in, then this is what you have to do. All we have to do is you just need to sign out from the Ubisoft account. That is very important. So you have to sign out from the Ubisoft account. So if you're already signed in, sign out. So in my case, I have already signed up. You have to sign out from the both Ubisoft and Ubisoft Connect. Then you have to check. Next one, turn on or off the VPN. So if you're already using the VPN, you have to turn it off. And if you're already not using the VPN, then you have to turn it on. Then you have to check. Next one, we need to disable the Steam overlay, turn off all the overlay applications like Discord, Nvidia, etc. Everything should be completely removed. So you can go over here, right click and go to the properties, go to over here, and you have to remove, you have to turn this off and you have to check with the game. And also you have to go over here, if that is not working, close all the overlay applications like Remote Tuner, MSA Afterburner. Everything should be completely removed from here, and you have to check. Next step is all about, you just need to go over here, but you have to keep scrolling down and navigate to the Gamepass users. Try installing the game on Xbox app and install the game on Ubisoft Connect. So either you have to depend on this. So instead of depending on the Steam, search here for the Xbox. And if you're using if you're having the Xbox Game Pass, then go to the browse. Now from here you can get the game. You can just search here for Rainbow Six Siege. So it is included in the Game Pass. Now we can install the game and you can launch it from here and you can check. That is also fine. Next one, we need to uninstall and reinstall the BattlEye. So to do so, just go over here, right click and go to manage, go to browse local file. Now from here we have a folder called BattlEye. Click on this particular folder. Now from here you have to first right click on this one, run it as an administrator and go for yes. If that is not working, just go over here, right click and go to run it as an administrator and go for yes. So you have to try and install and reinstall the BattlEye and you have to check. Make sure we need to launch the game from the game installation folder and also try running the game in the compatibility mode. Instead of launching it from the Steam, try installing it from the what we have to say game installation folder. So right click and go to the manage, click to browse local file. Now from here you have to scroll down and over here at the bottom you can see this is the .exe, launch it from here. Or you can right click and go to show more options, go to the properties, go to compatibility, put a check on run this program in the compatibility mode. And also you have to put a check on disable full screen optimization and also put a check on run this program as an administrator as well, and you have to check. That is also fine. Next step is all about. Just need to go over here. You have to install the graphics card, which is very important. So I'll be providing a link in the description to both NVIDIA and to the AMD. So let me go over here. So over here in the NVIDIA, you can see this is the NVIDIA. So if you go over here, you will be able to find the graphics card. So over here, you can see you have to select like GeForce should be selected. And also if you're on the GeForce RTX, everything should be selected according to the PC's configuration and go for find. Now, once you go for the find, you have to wait for a little bit of time. Then once you wait, scroll down and you have to download this based on the latest version. You have to download this. Similarly, if you're on the AMD, just go over here, select everything according to your graphics. Now, based on the requirement, you have to go over here, search for this one and go to submit. And you have to download if you're on Windows 11 with 64-bit edition. And if you're on the Windows 10 with 64-bit edition, you have to download this one as well. And these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye-bye.